For you guys who don't know me, Merrion HVAC service for the group. I'm going to probably open up to a lot of questions, but a lot of articles are being passed around right now. And I know my back has been against the wall at the supply houses for what we're getting, what we're doing. But this article, I'm going to read a couple paragraphs from, really pretty much sums everything up what's happening right now. As of right now, I told everybody about how the new refrigerants being mandated and there's a shortage and this, that, and the other thing. As of right now, this was supposed to be a 10-year process to change over from one refrigerant to the other. The last administration thought it would be a good idea to run this within 15 months. So we kind of sped the process up, I think, a little too fast. Is it a good thing for the environment, the new refrigerants? From what the old refrigerants were to the new standards, it's this much of a difference. But as they're claiming, this much of a difference on millions of units is a big deal. So we'll give them the benefit of the doubt, but the push is happening from 15 months to 10 to 20 year turnaround. What it was supposed to be to 15 months is a little difficult. Refrigerant cost, because there is no refrigerant available, is up 600% increase. Basically, a unit that was installed last year, just between the materials, the refrigerant, and everything else, was roughly around $8,000. This year, it's $11,000. Excuse me? Heat and air. That's just in air. Just in air, 5-ton air conditioning system installed last year, roughly $8,000. The same exact system with a minimum of $11,000 this year. It's a good jump. Would this get cleared up and the prices come down? In my industry, when there's a shortage on something, I don't care what it is, control boards that were coming from China when they had the strike out in Los Angeles and they couldn't bring the container ships in. The prices of some of the control boards from 3 different manufacturers went up through the roof. They still haven't come back down. Once they increase a price, they're not going to drop down. It just doesn't happen. So basically what I'm telling you, basically prices are up, they're going to stay up, and I don't think they're going to come down anytime soon. If not, it's going to get even worse because we haven't hit peak season yet. So if you're thinking about having your system replaced, you want to save money on your utility bills, there's 2 ways to do that. One is give Tim a call. Get solar on your roof if you can, if it's feasible. As we all know, I'm going to piggyback off of Tim. Rates are going up by 20%. If rates are going up by 20% and we can save you 20-25% on your electric usage from a new higher efficiency unit, that's a 50% savings of what you're doing. You almost, at this point, they're driving you, and this is what they've been trying to do the whole time. They're driving you to high efficiency units. They're driving you to solar. They're driving to this, that, and the other thing.